Hey Vikas, if I need to, can I easily sell my mutual funds or is it complicated?
Not at all, Sapna. Open-ended mutual funds offer liquidity, allowing you to redeem your units at the prevailing net asset value, NAV, on any business day.
Really? I thought it was a long and tedious process.
No, Sapna. For open-ended funds, the redemption proceeds are typically credited to your account within 1 to 3 business days. However, for funds or funds that invest at least 80% in overseas securities, it may take up to 5 working days. After you submit a redemption request, just make sure to check if there's an exit load or a lock-in period for the fund you've invested in.
That's such a relief. So I'm not locked in forever.
Exactly. Except for funds like ELSS, which have a 3-year lock-in for tax-saving benefits, retirement funds typically come with a lock-in period of 5 years or until retirement, whichever is earlier. Most funds are flexible and can be redeemed as per your needs.
That's really good to know.
It is. Just remember to review all the fund documents carefully before investing.
An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.